Aloha, this is Brian Watkins, and this is the video tutorial for Pivot Table C2, in which we will create a report that lists the two products purchased most often by each customer in the third quarter. So now we're putting together several things, and we've got to think about it before we just jump out and do the pivot table. We have two products for each customer. So that means customer has to come first, product second. So to get this pivot table going, we have a cell selected inside the data, insert, pivot table, okay, and we're going to select the customer, and then underneath customer we're going to put the product, okay, because we want those two products purchased most in the third quarter. So now we've got the third quarter, and we pull that down to our value box. All right, let's take the design here, and let's put our report in tabular form because we're going to need to do some sorting. Let's take our count. Remember the C data, the customer detail, likes to default to count. We want it to be a sum. All right, so now we have the products, and you'll see there's lots of zeros. I don't know why it chooses to list zeros in pivot tables, but that's one of the quirks of pivot tables. We're going to now select only the top two products for each customer. So we go to the top 10, change it to top 2, and now we're looking at the top two products for each customer. Now, all of these zeros are going to get listed. That's just a wrinkle of the program. So if I say number format, I'll just give it an accounting format this time, and a design, give it an orange, and we're done.